Hello everybody, namaste and welcome to my channel. And in case if you're watching me for the very first time, my name is Malvika Singh Dhankar and I make videos related to fashion, beauty and lifestyle on YouTube. So with today's video, I am going to be starting a new series which you will be able to see at the end of each month. So now these series will include all the things that I've been loving throughout the past month. Now these can be products which are food related or skincare related or home related, a ton of things basically. So now with all that being said, let's just get started. So first things first, I started this series on my Instagram page, which is malvika@03. It is mentioned below and it must be flashing somewhere on the screen right now. In case if you wish to follow me, you can go subscribe to that page also. So that video of course was a little bit shorter due to the time constraint that Instagram has. Now, I am planning to include all the things that I loved throughout the month of April and May in this video. And from the next month onwards, it will just be per month favorites. So with all that being said and having that long intro out of the picture, let's just get started. So the first half of this video is essentially going to include everything that I loved throughout the month of April. And the second half of this video is going to include my May favorites. So keep on watching. So the first product are these cramp comfort patches from this brand called Nua. Now they're essentially made for period pain, but I think they work on all kinds of pains. Now how do these work? You just have to stick them on top of the affected area and they automatically heat up to about 45 degrees centigrades to 50 degrees centigrades, and they last for about 8 hours. These are made of natural ingredients, so as such there is no side effect or anything about it. These retail for about 250 rupees and they come in a pack of 3. Now which I think is absolutely okay because the kind of comfort they give you is just amazing. Now to every person who's watching this, please invest in these and stop eating those painkillers because they're absolutely not worth it. No. Now moving on to the second product, which is this lip and cheek tint from this brand called Earth Rhythm. This retails for 299 rupees and is honestly quite a lot for that amount of money. See, I'm not the biggest fan of wearing lipsticks every day. This comes in handy and this is what I'm wearing right now also on my lips as well as cheeks. This gives you such a natural pink blush, like it's coming from within, like you're glowing from within. But it is amazing. It is supremely pigmented and I think these come in a wide variety of shades. I'll leave the link down below in case if you want to check it out. Now on number 3, which also happens to be my favorite number, is this candle from the brand called Bath and Body Works. This fragrance is known as Into the Night and I think this is my second or third candle of the same fragrance. It smells divine. I cannot stop bragging about it. I haven't found another scented candle which works so beautifully and is actually so effective in a big room also. It is on the expensive side. It retails for about 2,800 rupees if not on discount. But they're always running on some kind of discount and you can get it for a much cheaper price. But guys, just please listen to me and save up on some money and get one of these because this is everything. This will change your entire aura of your house or your room or everything, anywhere that you live. It is amazing and I can never stop holding on these candles. Number 4 is this Neutrogena Hydro Boost Emulsion Moisturizer. Now since I belong to the very oily skin category, I think this works beautifully on my skin. This is super lightweight. It is a gel based consistency, so it doesn't make your face feel sticky. It is super smooth on the skin and provides you with the perfect amount of hydration. Now coming to the price of this retails for about 1200 rupees. It is a little pricey for a quantity of only 50 grams. But trust me guys, if you belong to the oily skin category, nothing can work better than this for you. Do try it on. I'll leave the link in the description below. Now number 5 is again a fragrance. I'm a huge fan of everything that smells good. It is this perfume by Calvin Klein. Now this is a 100 ml bottle which retails for about 6,000 rupees if I'm not wrong. Now this is perfect for the summers because it smells so floral and so fresh. And it lingers on for about 6 to 8 hours and more easily. Now I was lucky enough to get this as a gift from somebody. So Shetty, if you're watching this, thanks bro. So that was pretty much it for my April favorites. Now moving on to the second part of the video, which is going to include everything that I have been loving in the month of May. So let's go. My first favorite for this month has to be this guy right here. It is this Agaro's handheld vacuum cleaner. Now this retails for about I think 1700 rupees and has a 5-meter long cable. This also comes with 4 other attachments and a big handle, which makes it super convenient to use even if you're standing and doing it, or to reach far off corners at your place. Now on number 2 is this Mamaearth Skin Illuminate Face Serum with vitamin C and turmeric. Now I had been using this ever since it was launched, and I don't know why I got drifted away from it in the middle. But I recently got back to this, and oh my god, the kind of wonders that it does to my skin. It gets rid of all the pigmentation and the discoloration and leaves my skin with such a natural finish and glow. It is just mind blowing. It is a little bit expensive because it retails for about 599 rupees for this smaller bottle. It definitely does what it says. Now the third product is this L'Oreal Absolute Repair Protein Plus Gold Quinoa Hair Mask. Now this was suggested to me by my parlor wali didi because I have really dry and curly hair. Now this is guys hair spa in a tub. This retails for about 860 rupees and provides your hair with such good amount of moisture. You just have to leave it on for about 20 minutes before you go into the shower, and your hair feels super duper soft once you come out of the shower. The effects of this last for easily about 10 days, and it is super convenient and super cost friendly as compared to going into a salon for a hair spa, which easily costs about 2000 to 3000 rupees for one single sitting. Now this lasts for about 20 to 30 uses for shoulder length hair, and it is an absolute delight to use. Now number 4 is this Argan Oil of Morocco shampoo and conditioner set from this brand called Herbal Essences. And guys, I can go on and on and on about this product. I think this is going to be in my forever favorite list. This shampoo is a lifesaver. Trust me guys, I had tried so many shampoos for dry and curly hair in the past, but nothing works as perfectly as this one does. I don't know, this is my 10th bottle or I don't know 15th bottle. And every time I go back to a new shampoo also, I always come back to it because it is absolutely amazing and it is a lifesaver. You must try this. This retails for about 800 rupees for a set of 2 400 ml bottles, which is quite a lot, which is almost like 1 liter of product in 800 rupees. It is amazing. It smells divine, works perfectly. A big thumbs up for this one too. Now the 5th product is a funny one, and I'm sure it'll bring back a lot of your childhood memories too. It is this guy right here, Ruafza. I used to hate this when I was a kid, but I recently started loving this, and so much so that this is my 2nd bottle in the month of May. Now this literally refreshes my soul every time I have it with cold water. No wonder why it's called Ruafza, you know, True Soul Refreshment. Cut it. Now number 6 is the series called Gullak, which is streaming on Amazon Prime. Now alas, my husband suggested this series and we of course finished it in 2 days. Now it is a family drama, but not one of those over exaggerated dramatic ones. It is so nice, and it is so full of heart and emotions. It brings back so many memories of my childhood. It is a great watch and a greater watch if you're watching it along with your family. एक बहुत ही फनी डायलॉग मुझे याद आ रहा है सीरीज से. तो उनकी फैमिली में जो मदर होती है वो हमेशा पीले चावल बना देती है. तो हमेशा ये बच्चे और जो फादर जाके देखते हैं कि मम्मी आपने फिर से यही आलू और पीले चावल बना दिए. तो उनकी मम्मी कहती है कि नहीं, इसे तहरी कहते हैं. और वो तीनों मिलकर उनको कहते हैं नहीं, इसे डिसअपॉइंटमेंट कहते हैं. तो ये हमारे घर में भी होता था. हमेशा मेरी मम्मी जब आलू मटर बनाती थी, आई यूज्ड टू हेट दैट सब्जी, और मैं उनको हमेशा ये बोलती थी क्या है, क्या बना दिया ये. बट ऑफ कोर्स नॉट डिसअपॉइंटमेंट कभी नहीं बोला मैंने. पर हाँ, ये तो होता था कि ये क्यों बनाया, ये नहीं खाएंगे. बट वॉट एवर, इट ब्रिंग्स बैक अ लॉट ऑफ मेमोरीज. इट इज अ सुपर वॉच, व लाइट हार्टेड एंड अ वेरी 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 गुड वॉच. So on a lighter and a funny note, this video comes to an end. Do let me know if you liked this video and if you want me to continue these series and if it was of any help to you. And do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, which is Malvika Singh Dhankar. Until my next video, bye bye.